Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Air Pollution Monitoring using Arduino and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Sensors are MQ135 air quality and MQ2 gas by smoke sensor, MQ4 methane sensor, MQ7 carbon monoxide sensor. So let us coming into the block diagram. So power supply and MQ135, MQ2, MQ4, MQ7 and alarm ESP8266. So here we are using TCP Telnet app we are using, and a 16 cross 2 LCD display RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 RS enabled D4, D5, D6. MQ134 it is connected to the A2, MQ7 A3, MQ2 A1, MQ135 is A0 power supply and RxTX. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED power supply module, MQ135, MQ2, MQ4, MQ7 and alarm, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display. So here we are using TCP Telnet app which is from the Google Play Store. So IP address is 192.168.4.1 23 port number. So here we are using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and this is 3.3 volts power supply. So now I am giving the input air pollution monitoring using sensors. Okay. So now I am going to enable the Wi-Fi. So a Wi-Fi module is connected. Okay, so you open TCP IP then connect. So here I am connecting. Okay, all sensors data is coming. Okay, CH4, so smoke, CH4, CO2, CO. Okay, so now I am giving some input gas. CO alert. Okay, CO2 alert, hazardous. Okay, smoke alert, smoke alert 220. Okay, so we need to give individual gases. CO alert, methane gas alert. Okay, methane gas alert, hazardous. So this is Arduino Uno R3 board and 4 sensors, sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3, sensor 4, and we are monitoring on Telnet. Next I am going to monitor on Blink app and next project on ThinkSpeak. So we can monitor through internet, Blink app and ThinkSpeak. So I will add one more sensor, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor will also I will add. So I will remove any one and I will add DHT11. So this is for academic year project power supply board MQ135, MQ2, MQ4 and MQ7, and here power supply for the Arduino board 16 cross 2 LCD display and alarm, and here is the Wi-Fi module. Wi-Fi module is sending the data to this Wi-Fi. Okay, yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.